أهلا ومرحبا. نزهة معكم. In this video we are going to learn 2 more Arabic letters. So let's start. يلا. So the first one here has 1, 2, 3, as in like 3 teeth, and then it has a tail. This letter here has an equivalent in English, which is an S, and we are going to agree on writing it as small s because we also have another S in Arabic. The name of this letter is sheen, and the sound is the same as an S in English, that is s, s. As an example, I'm giving you here the word sukkar, and sukkar means sugar. And by the way, the word sugar actually came from the word sukkar, from the Arabic word. The next letter here has the same shape as the S. So you see here 1, 2, 3 teeth, and then we have a tail. And we have 3 dots on top. This one here is sh, is an SH in English. The name of this letter here is sheen, like Charlie Sheen. And the sound in modern standard Arabic is sh, just like as in SH in English. Sh. And as an example, I picked the word shukran, which means thank you. So please let me know how I'm doing by writing comments and reviews, and shukran and مع السلامة.